the same, we buy one more same or what? Huh?
So they like this wonton mee. Both kids like. This is second portion already because Luchik like.
Sometimes.
We are already here in Genting Highlands. So we just arrived. See? Have fog. Yeah. Archie is already over there. So how's the weather?
Yeah, here is the nicer. Because last time it was not so different. Like just slight cooler. Just slight cooler. Here better.
Someone is already shaking here. What do you feel?
I feel cold.
So let's go pa. It's already cooling.
Let's go.
Oops. Thank you. Okay, we just arrived here in our accommodation.
Shoes.
Remove the shoes. Maybe just put the shoes here.
Wow.
What wow? Adelina already said wow. Okay, so we just arrived in our suite here in Genting Highlands. I will do a tour. We go first from this side. So this is the kitchen. We have some fridge, a small table here, bar counter. And then some induction, electric kettle. They also provide tea, only tea and creamer, sugar like this. And then microwave. But what is this?
I like the space.
Oh, like this. So they have also some washing machine.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I didn't expect. Oh my gosh, look at this. You see?
Oh, wow,
Foggy.
we have balcony. Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
fog.
I like the place is just like feels like a little bit not renovated, to be honest.
Yeah.
Like you feel a bit old.
Mm-hmm.
But I like it's a big space.
Spacious.
Like, very spacious, like nice. Like, I just only wish they make a bed. On the photo it looks nice, to be honest.
Maybe this is like long time ago photo or
But
what?
in reality, you come here, you feel old.
Yeah.
Anyway, but they also doesn't charge too expensive for this unit, so I think reasonable. But to be honest, windmill was a little bit more cozy, right?
Yeah.
Windmill was slightly
Like more like renovated, more modern.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, may I do the tour? So this is the dining area and then living room. So let's go here. Oh, have also. Ah, this is like common toilet or what?
Huh?
Common toilet?
Looks like I don't know. You have your own.
Okay.
No, you have your own toilet.
So this is the toilet here. So they provide some shower cup. What is this? Vanity kit, some dental care like this. Mhm. Shower. Ah, okay, I get it. So
Here you will be very
it's
surprised.
just same.
Yeah, yeah.
like-
Come
Wait,
here.
wait, Papa. Ah, you're surprising me. Wait. So I will show first the room. This Archie will stay here.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And then this is the master's bedroom. But the problem is the office chair is
Yeah.
here. Archie is working, so he needs some desk. But the master's bed is here.
Yes.
Me and the kids sleeping in master's bedroom.
It's okay. Then you just like about 8:30. You need to wake up and go at the room. Yeah. Look at this.
What you want to? I know already bathtub. Yeah.
Like we can enjoy hot bathtub. Yeah.
Yeah.
In
Yes.
cooling
Especially in
weather,
cooling
nice,
weather.
yeah.
Yes. Wow.
Yeah, nice. Yeah.
Nice to like soak in hot tub.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the toilet in master's bedroom. Same, they also provide like this.
Yeah.
Ay, Luchik already checking the bed. Pa, did you check the bed? Because you like... Papa, this one is soft.
Huh?
My bed here is soft for
What
you.
we can do?
How about your side? Is soft,
I think
soft or
same,
no?
yeah, I
Same?
think, yeah, that's
Because
okay.
Archie like firm.
It's only
bed.
4 nights, so I can endure. Ah, no, it's a bit better.
That's why you're designed to sleep here.
Yeah, no, but still soft. It's just
Yeah.
slightly hard. No, don't have. And I cannot open window. This is kind of sad.
Oh,
The
Archie.
design not allow.
Oh,
can
don't
open
there
here.
because Archie like to open window. He doesn't like
Fresh air.
close.
I like fresh
Yeah,
air,
he
yeah.
don't like close space. He always open
Oops.
the. We don't open
But
later.
this is-
Papa, I worry later you open and then the window like.
No, I
Destroy
have to
or
have
what?
little fresh air, yeah.
Okay, yes. Our Luchik is very happy because he can run like this, like very roomy. He can even do scooter here if we bring our scooter. He can do scooter here.
Yeah.
So Adeline is already here. What you do? Just
Adeline,
watching.
what happened?
And she's not happy because it's not cartoon.
Wait. I don't know if you have cartoon channel here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure.
Oh, this one, cartoon.
Cartoon.
Only this one they can offer, okay? Don't have YouTube. This is not a smart TV. That's
No,
just
no,
cable.
no smart TV. Yeah,
Oh.
like just simple TV. Yeah.
Okay.
Baguio, like very simple, like
So Archie discovered something nice also in our unit. Over here. We have some balcony. Wow! Oh my gosh!
so foggy.
So foggy.
Like a winter
you know,
time,
this
yeah.
place reminds me of Baguio City in
Yeah.
Philippines. Also like this.
Yes.
So this is the grocery
Yes.
over here.
Here and also here, also
have-
here. Yeah,
Wow,
yeah. We
just
check.
go
We
down.
check both. Yeah.
Then nice. She also like give us nice place very near.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
I believe if she choose a different place, we need to walk very
yeah,
far.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, very cooling.
Yeah, I think
Oh,
inside.
oh my god, very cooling. You see, I just like show
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Like I will shake already. Cooling. Papa, can you check the temperature, please? In your, you have Wi-Fi or no? Or you have data?
No, I think I don't have thermometer.
Because in last time where we stay have thermometer, right?
But here don't have thermometer. Yeah.
Just online, don't have?
Maybe online have. Yeah,
Yeah.
but like it's like feeling like
Yeah,
maybe
from
like
the winter
about
guide.
19.
About
1920, like 1920, like about 1920, like this.
Yeah, it's cooling. Wow, nice Papa here. Oh my
I think
God.
maximum 21.
Yeah.
Like 21, nothing more than 21, like
Mhm.
about this range.
How?
Look, you see?
What you see?
Yes, fog.
What you see?
I see that.
Yeah.
Daddy.
days. 4
Yeah.
days or 4 nights?
For 4 nights. So Saturday we go back.
4 nights. So Saturday we will go back already in Kuala Lumpur.
Because Monday will be surgery.
Ah yes.
Yeah.
Supposed to be it is April. We thought like it is April we will come back here, but no, they said the clinic said he should do already, so it will be on Monday, right?
Yeah, Monday.
Yeah, so we have like Sunday to get rest like this.
Yeah, I suggest maybe we go those grocery.
Ah yes,
Yeah,
we
to
will
go
go.
buy some snack for tomorrow morning.
Yeah, because see like we have nothing.
No, we have little bit fruits, but I think
But
not
these
enough.
kids cannot
Not
sustain
enough,
with
yeah.
this, with the kids, like every time hungry, so we need to buy something. And then it's not the same place because we stayed here already before.
But
In
it's
other
different
place.
part of Genting
Yeah,
Highlands.
in Windmills.
It's quite far from here actually.
Yes, like there is not so cold there, but at least the area there is
Much more developed.
yeah,
and
much
more-
developed. We just go down and then we can buy. We
Yeah.
can buy. We can eat in the.
Yeah,
shop.
it's a lot of options there, like
Yeah.
like hoka, like not hoka, like coffee shops,
Yes.
like grocery stores, even
like
pharmacy.
this. Yeah, we
No,
even
like nice option.
We even bought durian there. They
Ah,
sell
yeah,
durian
yeah.
last
They
time.
fruits selling fruits
Yeah,
there.
fruits also,
But
but
looks
here.
here not
Oh,
much.
sorry, like maybe you cannot eat fruits or eat.
No, there's pros and cons. You see, between like
Yeah.
those place was nice, like amenities of amenities, but at the same time, like weather not too cold.
Yeah, just
Here much cooler,
yeah.
but like not much amenities here.
And
Yeah,
expensive here.
yeah looks like more expensive here. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so we go check the mini
Yeah.
mart first to buy some
Yeah.
groceries. Bye bye. Foggy. Have fog. Fog. Why what you saw? Why like that? Why? Papa, she's asking why like this pa?
Huh?
Why like this she's asking.
Because you're cold.
So this is the convenience store and then the other one, but we will go first here.
Okay, they have some.
Over there also.
You see, have bakery.
Mm-hmm.
I want.
So we already here in convenience store.
Yeah.
Yes, we are buying some cookies.
Yes.
We bought cake.
Hold the kids' cake.
Mm-hmm.
Hold the kids?
Yes. Then it's okay, Mama. Hold.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go home.
Our room have aircon, but I don't know why have aircon because it's already cooling. I'm even like in the blanket already. But you see, have aircon. No need to switch on aircon here. It's very cold.